Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be doing a memory plan with me for the week of the 11th through the 17th of May. This is my Erin Condren Vertical Neutral Life Planner, and this kit is a little Simply Gilded sub box kit that I used. I will have this video linked down below, as well as pop up in the cards if you want to watch the plan with me where I do just like the pre-planning of this. But this is memory planning where I just kind of go back and day by day fill in the things that happened during the day to take up the white space. I apologize, Monday's footage got lost somehow. I think I accidentally deleted it, but you can see what's there on Monday. So for Tuesday, I am using a Cozy Paper Co. little quarter box and a laptop from Cozy Paper Co. as well. Those are both examples of her $1 Wednesdays. And I do PR for Cozy Paper Co. And I'm just writing in that I got my new MacBook on Tuesday, since it was pretty exciting for me. I've never had a MacBook before, and it was my husband's idea. He was like, I think you should get it, and it'll help you edit your videos, and it'll be good for you to have a new computer. I don't know. So he convinced me to to get it. So got my new MacBook. And then we also went and got Panera for lunch, since there's a Panera Bread like right next to the Best Buy where I got my laptop. So I used a little lunchbox sticker from the Giving Girl and wrote in that we got a tuna sandwich. So I used the little tuna one that she drew. And then I wrote phase 2 of my son's room with a half box from Cozy Paper Co. Because we were in the process of cleaning out all his room and organizing and repainting it and everything. So you'll see that on my Instagram stories if you follow me over on Instagram. And I went back to my gratitude. I wrote opportunity for Monday, and for Tuesday I wrote I was grateful for my new computer. Then for Wednesday, I'm using a half box from Cozy Paper Co. to write in that my in-laws came by and pulled weeds out of our front yard, which was very nice. They offered to come by and do that, since we have a ton of weeds in our yard and we need to get that taken care of. So I'm just using a little heart circular icon from the kit, and then I also used I think they're headers that came in the kit. I just used it as a divider because they're pretty and I wanted to use them. So that half box from Cozy Paper Co. is also another $1 Wednesday. A lot of her functional $1 Wednesday items really came in handy for me for this week. Here's another example of one with this little quarter box that's got like hearts on both ends. And they don't match like perfectly, but they match very, very well. And so she's got tons of colorways and tons of options every Wednesday. She does this great sale, $1 Wednesday. So if you want to shop from her, definitely put my name in the notes so you can get my freebie. That little quarter box was to mark phase 3 for my son's room. And then I'm going to take a heart icon from the kit with a spray bottle and a Cozy Paper Co. $1 Wednesday. It's like a pointing arrow kind of a thing, just to layer those together and put bathroom drawers and kitchen. Because I did a deep clean of like these, drawers that we have in our bathroom. They're pretty dirty. And then also one of my like cabinets in the kitchen where we keep our pots and pans was pretty dirty. So I spent some time working on that. And then I'm taking another one of those quarter boxes from Cozy Paper Co. and a beautiful pink heart doily from the Giving Girl to mark that I had to reschedule USPS again because I've been scheduling USPS to come and pick up packages for me, which is free if they come during your normal like mail time when they come to deliver your mail. But for some reason, they keep like not coming. And then they say they'll send me a confirmation email. We picked up your package. And I'm like, no, you didn't. What the heck? This is already the second time. And I'm like, why do they keep doing this? It's weird. I don't know why they're doing that. So I had to reschedule them again. For Wednesday, I was grateful for our parents' help with the yard, since, any free help pulling weeds is very appreciated. On Thursday, I didn't have a lot of white space to fill in, so the only thing I could put there was that USPS finally came and picked up the package. So I used a heart icon from the Giving Girl with one of the little envelopes with a bow to write in that USPS finally picked up the package. And I was grateful on Thursday for an easy dinner, because when my in-laws came to pull the weeds, they also brought over some cheese enchiladas for us. Since my father-in-law's birthday was on Tuesday, she made cheese enchiladas for them and wanted to bring some over for us as well. So I was grateful for having an easy dinner for Wednesday and Thursday. And I just filled in a little bit of my to-do list for my weekly to-do list, and used a mild liner to highlight the week. I didn't really have one that would be a good match for this kit, so I just used a gray. Then on to Friday, I checked off the bills that were paid, and then I'm using another one of those, confetti quarter boxes from Cozy Paper Co. And a super cute little house icon from the Giving Girl. And this is from a Black Friday freebie, sampler that I got. Just to mark that we went to Home Depot, since we are, like I said, remodeling my son's room. Well, not remodeling it, but, just redoing it a lot. So we went to Home Depot to pick up paint supplies and paint for him. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a little, what is this? It's an icon from the kit. Oh, it's an envelope icon from the kit, but I'm layering a cute little Giving Girl bow over the front of it, so it looks even cuter. Just to mark that I had to stop by my P.O. box on Friday, since it had been a while since I had went, and so I needed to go and check the P.O. box and drop off a few, a little bit of mail and stuff like that, so went there. And then I'm also using a little dainty Giving Girl bow over the full box, just where the little branches of the flower tree things are, and then a bigger bow just in the corner because I thought I could use some bows. And then for Friday, I put that I was grateful for lunch dates, because my husband and I we'll have little lunch dates whenever we go out of the house to run errands or something. So I'm just grateful to have, even though we just sit there and eat in our cars, since our city is reopening with limited seating and stuff, but we just don't want to eat in, and if it's not necessary, so we'll pick up lunch, eat in our car, and then go home. So anyways, I'm just grateful for that. For Saturday, I just checked off the things that I did on Saturday, and then used a pretty confetti star divider from the Giving Girl to break up that little section there. And then I'm going to take a laptop from Dashes and Designs. She's currently on maternity leave, but she will be reopening soon. And I used a laptop because this Saturday is the day we picked up my husband's new laptop. So he also ordered, we wanted to get some new laptops with our stimulus money. So he ordered a new laptop as well. His is a gaming laptop, so it's going to be really nice and fast and cool looking. So he's a big gamer. And then we also watched the Maleficent Mistress of Evil, the #2 movie, which is so good. I love Angelina Jolie's performance of Maleficent so much. She's amazing. The Maleficent movies are amazing. I highly recommend it. So I used a movie marquee from Sticker Insanity, who unfortunately no longer open. And since it's rounded, I kind of wanted to put a little color in the corners or whatever, behind the box for some reason. And so I just used some washi that came in the subscription kit from Simply Gilded. And I wanted to use the more the what was it? It was either the top or the bottom half. I think it was it was the top half of the washi, because it had more bows in it. Those little tiny bows that are spread throughout the washi. So I just put that down there and cut it to size. I just used my library card for cutting washi, because it's really pretty. I love the library card, but I don't actually need it in my wallet because I have a little keychain dongle thing for my library card, but I don't want to throw it away. It's so gorgeous. So I use it as a washi cutter. So anyways, so I just marked that we watched Maleficent on Saturday, had a little family movie night. And then for my gratitude, I was grateful for reconnecting with a friend who I haven't really talked to in, 10 or 15 years. She used to be my best friend, BBFFL is what we called it. Anyway, I was just grateful for reconnecting with her. Sunday, I am using a little heart icon from Simply Gilded with a little car, and a $1 Wednesday from the Giving Girl with the little page flag, just to layer over that random spot next to grocery shopping, because I didn't know what else to put there. And then I'm going to use a heart doily from the Giving Girl, just to mark that we bought the paint from Home Depot. Oh, okay. So you know what? What day was it that we went to Home Depot? Friday when we went to Home Depot, we got supplies and a swatch, but we didn't get the paint. Once we decided on the paint, then Sunday we went and actually got the paint. So that's why I bought paint. And then for my Sunday gratitude, I was just grateful that we had some shrimp pitas for dinner, because they were so amazing. I found the recipe on YouTube. It was so good. And my husband really loved it. So that was great when a recipe is successful. And that is everything for this memory plan with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, because it really helps me out. And definitely subscribe if you're not already, because I'd love to have you here, and I make videos regularly on my channel. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope you take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.